I vow to love you forever and a day. I vow to protect you by any means necessary. Having a wife is the best thing could happen to a man.
Aaron, you have given me the best gift any woman can ask for. Becoming a mother and unconditional love. I'm in love with you. In love with your smile. In love with who you are. In love with your soul. Who would have thought that meeting you at a pharmacy as I stumbled over my words would lead to this day? Aaron, you are my calm to my crazy, the yin to my yang. You're my rock. You're my home.
How did I know finding the love of my life was just a phone call away? I vowed to always be there for you no matter what. Today, you have turned me into a real man, a married man.
Oftentimes, I'm marrying people. I always watch the man to see his take on the wife as she comes out. And what amazed me this evening, that this young man was crying before she even got here. It speaks a lot. It speaks volume. And so I'm so honored to be here to share this experience with these two young people expressing their love on today.
I love everything about you. I love your smile. I love your lips. I love your hips. I love your thighs. I call them my hams.
I promise to always be your Netflix binge buddy and to put my cold feet on you even when you don't like it.
I thank you for never turning your back on me when times was hard. You were always there for me. And I couldn't have it no other way, only for you to be my wife today.
It is an honor to be standing here today as I become your wife. Thank you for choosing me. I love you forever and a day.
I love you too.
You are husband and wife in the name of the Father, Son, Holy Ghost. You can kiss your bride again.
And I'm so glad that he met Jody. You bring out the best in my baby. You two are good for each other.
To watch how she helped him grow and they grew together, it inspired me a lot. So I always look up to their relationship too.
The unity you two are together, that's goals, that's inspiration, that is what we all want in our lives.
Thank you for taking care of my sister. I love you because you became everything she ever wanted.
Whoever know us, the Charlie's Angels. and he became Charlie.